You have to listen to your body. So I feel tired. Some people would say if I'm out in the heat and then I start getting goosebumps or I'm starting to feel chilly, that means something's not quite right. So you're hot, but yet you're chilly at the same time. That might be a hint that you're having trouble with the heat. If you're starting to feel weak, you're starting to feel dizzy, you're starting to feel nauseated, those are all, or getting a headache, those would all be hints that it's time to slow down, back off, and seek some cool. There's a range of what we call heat illnesses. It really starts out with heat cramps. You're out in the heat and now your legs are starting to cramp up. And then that moves on to heat exhaustion, meaning again the things I talked about. You're starting to feel tired, you're starting to feel fatigued, you're just maybe not, you're sweating but yet feeling cool, you're starting to feel a bit dizzy. Those are signs of heat exhaustion. We want to recognize those signs and get out of the heat, because heat stroke is when the body then loses its ability to truly regulate. When you're having the feelings of fatigue and dizziness and a little bit of a headache, a little bit nauseated, then it's time to move out of the heat. It's often good to use some spray, get some breeze perhaps from a fan. So misting is a very good treatment. So if we mist our skin, that's the same as sweating. We put mist on there, we use a fan, we get in a cool area, then we start to feel better. If we do that, we're not feeling better, we're getting a headache, we're starting to become confused, and that becomes a medical emergency. It's really urgent to get in and get some help. You don't want to start your day dehydrated. You want to be well hydrated going into it, and then keep hydrating as the day goes on. One of the best ways to really, am I hydrated well enough or not well enough, is really how much you're urinating, because your body is telling you that if you're going to the bathroom every few hours and your urine is clear, you probably have enough hydration. If you haven't gone all day, then that's a hint that maybe you're not hydrated well enough. Heat has to be taken seriously, because if you don't, it can snowball and then it becomes irreversible. And so the lesson is, number one, pay attention to your body, but then number two, have a plan.